We need you. There are Cybus factories all over the world. We need you to get into them and disable the emotion inhibitors. Just hope you're up to it. You did it! The Cybermen are sealed up in their factories. We're safe for now. It's all over. I'll see you. Okay, we've a load of units ready to strike. Our territories are the white ones. Those controlled by the Cybermen are blue. You can see the number of our units in each territory, so it's simple. Keep at least one unit in each territory to control it.
All rogue elements have been successfully deleted from the system. Upgrading will proceed at optimum rate. Cyberleader now obsolete and will be deleted. Error detected in emotional inhibitor. We will. Error.
Great job, Commander. The Cybermen can't last much longer. We're winning. Good job. Keep it up. Another one down. Great. Another one down, Commander. Keep it up. Yeah, not bad, Commander. Focus, Commander. We can't let them beat us. You need to up your game, Commander. Please, don't mess this up. We can't let the Cybermen win. We're so close now, I can feel it. We can't give up. Don't give up. We have to beat them. The transmitter's still online. What are you playing at? The factory will fall. Don't let us down, Commander. Delete yourself. Try that again. Go on, we can do with the target practice. Yeah, that's how we deal with gate crashers. We turn your soldier into a funky desk lamp. Send us some more. We're decorating our base in a Cyberman theme. Not bad. Now send troops into the factory to disable the Cybus earpod transmitter. That'll release the population from their control. Use your arrow keys to direct the soldiers and get them to the transmitter. Then shoot it. Shoot it with everything you've got. If an area is empty, take it before the Cybermen do. Click attack, select the territory you're sending units from, and the one you're attacking, and how many units you're sending in. One unit can hold the territory, but more safer. To attack the Cybermen, press attack, choose where you're sending troops in from, then choose one of their territories, the blue ones, and how many units you're sending in. The more you send, the better our chances.
Unit was defective. Restart the operation. Analysis fails to reveal the cause of our failure. Re-attempt operation. All rogue elements will be deleted. Maximum upgrade is inevitable. Rogue elements will be deleted. There will be no error. Maximum upgrade is inevitable. Maximum upgrade will be completed. Rogue elements will be deleted. The upgrade is progressing. Rogue elements will be deleted. This is the age of steel. Maximum upgrade. Your attempt failed. You will all fail. Submit for deletion. You will soon know no fear. Upgrade is inevitable. We are superior. You will join us or be deleted. You are a rogue element. You will not prevent the upgrade. Unit refuses to respond. Re-attempt. An unexpected error has occurred. Restart. Analysis fails to explain the failure of this operation. Restart with alternative parameters. This is the age of steel. You are designated Cyber Leader. The human race will be upgraded. Maximum deletion of rogue elements. The rogue elements are using a primitive communications device from this station. We will destroy the transmitter. Incompatible units will be deleted.
Okay, this is my prime objective. And it's good night, Vienna. Yeah? Too slow. Right, time for a big bang. Just call me an old-fashioned guy. Back up! Back up!
Upgrade failed. Proceeding with exit function.
Alright. And they're the future. Ah! Get off me! Got it! Got to be more careful. Ha ha! He looked at me funny. Now that's how you make an entrance. Right, let's make toast. Superior technology. That hurt! That was close. That's the transmitter. Upgrade that. Whoa! Yeah!
Deleted. Incompatible for upgrade. Intruder. Maximum deletion. Network node located. Deleting. Objective located. Executing final orders. Error.
Exterminate! 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 Under attack! Under attack!
We are superior. You will join us or be deleted. You will be deleted. Rogue element detected.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
We are the superior beings. You are an enemy of the Daleks. I am dying. This is the end of the Daleks.
This is the Age of Steel. Maximum upgrade. Objective located. Proceeding. Locate and delete. All rogue elements will be deleted. Maximum upgrade is inevitable.